Hello lovelies, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching the video from. How you doing? Welcome to Ella Skincare. So today lovelies, I'm going to show you how to get a light, beautiful, lovely skin on a budget, like you seen in the thumbnail, like you seen in the title. Okay, you're gonna get supple, lovely, light skin on a budget. But before we go into the video, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on IG at Ella Skincare_wear and chat me up on WhatsApp if you want to buy any skincare product, haircare product. I sell and deliver worldwide. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Subscription is free. Subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button and also hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section if you have any questions to ask, you want to contribute, you want to say anything. Drop your comment down there in the comment section, okay? And if you have any questions to ask, drop a comment in the comment section. I make videos every Sunday to reply all your questions. And give it a big fat thumbs up if you love this video. Without wasting your time, let's go into the video. Let's go. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the Gem tube that I have right here with me. This is the Gem multi-action skin cream. Okay, it's an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal tube that is good for itching. It's good for itching. It's good for prickly heat. So this is a tube that everyone can use. Okay, it's not a bleaching tube. It does not contain any lightening agent. Okay, it does not contain any bleaching agent whatsoever. It doesn't. It just like smooth your skin. You can use this on your face. Wow, this is very good for face. You can use this on your face as a dark skin girl. You can use this on your face and you will like it. Okay, now the next one we have here is the Q7. Now this is not your normal Q7. This is the Q7 on a budget. Okay, this Q7 is the Q7 on a budget. Now let me just reiterate. This is the Q7 whitening body lotion that gives you visible results in 10 days, and it's written here that it's efficient on black spots. Okay, softening the skin, regulates the production of melanin on your skin. In other words, it makes production of melanin, it reduces the production of melanin. Now let me just explain something about this cream. This cream is not a whitening cream. Okay, it's not all about everything whitening. It's not about whitening. No, a product can bear a name, so and so whitening cream, but that product will not be a whitening cream. That's this. This is not a whitening cream. This is just a lightening and moisturizing cream, and this is just a normal base. For me, this is just a normal base. There's nothing too special about this. It's just a lightening cream. Okay, that makes your skin supple and soft. No extra thing like whitening here. No. And the next thing you will be needing is your body white oil. Okay, your body white oil like this. This is one of the oils that people look and they'll be like, what's there? This oil, I love it so much. Body white oil is really lightening. It lightens the skin. Okay, it works super, but body white oil have lots of fake in the market. That's the problem with it. Okay, this does not have fake. There is no fake, but for body white oil there are lots of fake in the market, like too much fake of it. So just make sure you're getting the original body white oil. Now how do you do this? Let me explain. You're gonna get 250 ml of your lotion. This is 500 ml. Okay, this is 500 ml, which is 500 ml. You're gonna get 250 ml of this, and you're gonna get one of this tube for your 250 ml. Okay, one of these tube for your 250 ml, and you're gonna get 2 body white oil for your 250 ml. It's very simple, like so simple, lovely. It's really simple. You're gonna get 250 ml of your cream, 1 of your Gem tube, and 2 of your body white oil. Mix this thoroughly. You don't need to add anything to it. You don't need any other thing. Just add these 3 simple ingredients and you are good to go to have a lovely, light, supple skin. Like your skin will be so supple. Although this might whiten some people, like this body white oil might whiten some people. Okay, if you find out that you're getting white, okay, you're getting white, just keep some days when you're using this. But normally for those that have tough skin, this will lighten their skin. Okay, it's a very light brown skin. But for those that are skin is very those that have a very soft skin, this might whiten you. But yeah, you just need these 3 simple ingredients, just these 3 simple things to have a lovely brown supple skin without any issue, without irritation, no stretch mark, no dark spot, no patches whatsoever. With this, you are good to go. Okay, you don't even need to add preservative, but if you want to sell this, okay, for those of you that are doing pro mixing, you want to sell this for as a light skin kit, add preservative. But if you know you're not selling this, no need for you to add anything like preservative to it. Just use it like that and you are good to go. So lovelies, that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button to let me know you love this video, and hit subscribe to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Till I see you in my next one, I always say remain blessed. Bye bye.